Hey everyone, welcome back to Yartzz Services, where we help you build a future-proof career in tech. Today, we're breaking down how to become a full-stack developer in 2025. If you're someone who wants to learn both front-end and back-end development and land a high-paying job, this roadmap is for you. Fun twist, we'll count down from 5 to 1, revealing the most important steps, so make sure you watch till the end to get the #1 key skill that will make you job ready. Let's get started. Step 5. Learn front-end development, the visual side of websites and apps. Front-end development is what users see and interact with on a website or app. If you've ever clicked a button on a website or scrolled through an app, that's front-end development at work. Real-world example. Think about Netflix. The homepage, search bar, and movie thumbnails are all part of front-end development. What you need to learn. HTML, the structure of web pages. CSS, makes websites look beautiful. JavaScript, adds interactivity, e.g. buttons, animations. Front-end frameworks. React.js, Vue.js, or Angular. Pro tip, learn React.js. It's the most in-demand front-end framework for jobs in 2025. Salary range 2025, global $60,000 to $120,000 per year. India, 18 LPA. Once you're confident in front-end, let's move to back-end development. Step 4, learn back-end development, the brain behind websites and apps. Backend is where the magic happens. It's responsible for storing data, processing requests, and making sure everything runs smoothly. Real-world example. Ever ordered food on Zomato? When you tap place order, the backend processes your request, contacts the restaurant, and tracks delivery. What you need to learn. Programming languages. Python, JavaScript, Node.js, Java, or C#. Databases. MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL. APIs, application programming interfaces. REST and GraphQL. Authentication, handling logins securely. Pro tip, start with Node.js plus Express.js if you're new. It's beginner-friendly and widely used. Salary range, 2025, global, $70,000 to $130,000 per year. India, 8 to 20 LPA. Now that you know front-end's back-end, let's connect them with databases. Step 3, master databases and version control. A database is where all the website or app data is stored, like user details, passwords, and product inventories. Real-world example. Think about Amazon. When you search for a product, it pulls results from a huge database instantly. What you need to learn. SQL databases, MySQL, PostgreSQL, structured data. NoSQL databases, MongoDB, Firebase, flexible data. Version control, Git and GitHub for managing code changes. Pro tip, every company expects developers to know GitHub. Learn to push and pull code like a pro. Salary range, 2025, global, $75,000 to $140,000 per year. India, 9 to 22 LPA. All right, now let's move to step 2, which will make your skills industry ready. Step 2, learn DevOps and cloud deployment. So you've built a website or app. Now, how do you make it available to the world? That's where DevOps and cloud deployment come in. Real-world example. Whenever you open Instagram, all its data is stored on cloud servers, ensuring that millions of users can access it without crashes. What you need to learn. Cloud platforms, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, deployment, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, continuous integration and deployment, automate testing and updates. Pro tip, learn AWS, Amazon Web Services. It's the most in-demand cloud platform. Salary range, 2025, global, $85,000 to $150,000 per year. India, 10 to 25 LPA. Step 1, build real-world projects and get hands-on experience. Now that you know front-end, back-end, databases, and cloud, it's time to put everything together. Real-world example. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and Tesla don't just hire based on degrees. They want real-world projects on GitHub and portfolios. How to get hands-on experience. Build 3 to 5 real-world projects. E-commerce website like Amazon. Full stack with payments. Chat app like WhatsApp. Real-time messaging. Portfolio website. Show off your skills to recruiters. Freelancing and open source contributions. Internships and hackathons. Boost your resume with real-world experience. Pro tip, create a GitHub portfolio and start applying for jobs, internships early. Salary for full-stack developers, 2025. Global, $90,000 to $160,000 per year. India, 12 to 30 LPA. And that's your complete roadmap and motivated recap. Step 5, learn Frontend, React.js, HTML, CSS.js. Step 4, learn Backend, Node.js, Python, databases. Step 3, master databases in GitHub. Step 2, learn Cloud and DevOps, AWS, Docker, Kubernetes. Step 1, build real-world projects and get hands-on experience. Which step are you currently working on? Drop a comment below. Want to master full-stack development? Yartzz Services offers internships and training programs. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.